This NVF file is most commonly a CommView packet capture file or a Creative Nomad II Voice file. It acts as either a high-level network data log used for security auditing or a legacy voice recording from a vintage MP3 player. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find out if we're analyzing server traffic or listening to a 20-year-old voice memo. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value NVF file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. The NVF extension is a specialized format primarily used in network security, Tamasoft, and vintage consumer electronics, creative technology. In the IT world, it serves as the primary capture format for the CommView packet analyzer, storing raw network traffic and protocol data for troubleshooting and security auditing. In the portable audio world, it stores voice recordings using the G721 ADPCM standard, specifically designed for the limited storage capacity of the early 2000s era Nomad 2 series of portable players. These files are governed by packet encapsulation and ADPCM audio coding protocols. CommView NVF files follow a structured trace protocol, where each intercepted packet is timestamped and wrapped in a proprietary metadata header to allow for session reconstruction. Creative.NVF files follow a simple binary header rule followed by an 8 kHz mono bit stream, utilizing G721 compression to maintain speech clarity while minimizing bit rates to 32 bit sec, which was necessary for hardware with only 32 MB or 64 MB of total storage. The most common, market-leading program for NVF is Creative Lab software from Creative Technology Limited. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows supports simple audio playback, but robust editing features are only available in dedicated tools. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the NVF file and click Open With. Test Creative Lab software first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If the NVF file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Because the NVF format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, identify .NVF file types and origins. Distinguish the file by its environment. If it is on a modern Windows machine used by a network admin, it is a CommView packet log. If it's on a 20-year-old Creative MP3 player or an old backup CD, it is a Nomad 2 voice file. You can open the file in a hex editor. If you see the Tamasoft developer signature, you have confirmed it is a network capture. If it looks like raw binary data with a very small header and no legible text, it is likely an audio memo. Next, Playback and Analysis. To view network files, you must use CommView or CommView for Wi-Fi. These files are not standard PCAP files and require CommView's internal interpreter to be read. To listen to voice files, you need the legacy Creative Media Source Player or a conversion tool like NVFTools to turn the G721 stream into a standard .wav. Note that modern smartphones and media players like VLC cannot play .NVF audio files natively because the specific G721 codec implementation is no longer part of standard operating system libraries. Finally, fixing conversion and capture errors. If a voice file sounds like robotic static after conversion, the sampling rate was likely set incorrectly. Ensure you are forcing the decoder to use 8000 Hz mono settings. For network captures, if CommView reports a checksum error when opening into NVF, the file was likely truncated during a system crash. You can often salvage the remaining packets by using the Repair Capture feature in the CommView Tools menu, which attempts to rebuild the file index and recover any undamaged data blocks. If no local program recognizes the NVF file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. FileMagick is your data safety net. It's uniquely capable of instantly viewing the actual contents of the NVF file, even when the archive is broken. Get this indispensable utility at filemagick.com. This solution comes directly from my professional file integrity workflow. We've finished today's solution. Like and subscribe to be notified about the next video in this series.